P. Daniel Raj from BB Siddhartha College, Electronics Department. I am here to present our project, Soldier Security System, and it consists of node MCU, GPS module, temperature sensor, and pulse oscillometer. And my teammates are Ishwar Vijay and Pawan Kumar. And I am now here to explain about pulse oscillometer and temperature sensor.
This is the pulse oscillometer and this is the temperature sensor. This pulse oscillometer is an electronic device which is used to measure the blood oxygen levels of a person. And this temperature sensor is also an electronic component which is used to measure the temperature of the human body.
Myself CH Ishwar Vijay, and now I am here to explain this GPS model. Global Positioning System GPS. GPS makes the use of the signal sent by the satellites in the space and the ground stations on the earth to accurately determine its position on the ground. The Neo 6M GPS receiver module uses the USART communication to communicate with the microcontroller or PC terminal. It receives the information like latitude, longitude, altitude and the UCT time, etc. from the satellites in the form of NMEA string. This string needs to be parsed to extract the information that we want to use.
Myself Pawan Kumar. I am here to explain the Node MCU. This is Node MCU. It is a low-cost open-source IoT platform. It initially included the firmware on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi source. This is the Wi-Fi source. We can give the power supply using the USB port. This is the USB port, and the whole operation of this system depends on the Node MCU.
And this project needs a basic power supply to run. As you can see, the current supply is started flowing through the circuit, and we can now simply insert our finger in this to start reading the pulse oscillometer. And this is the interface of our app, Blink app. Here we can see body temperature, BPM, latitude, longitude, and the position of where the soldier is died. And now we can see the working of this project. Temperature is 31 degrees. The BP is fluctuating. And also we can see the location, live location. BB Siddhartha College. And that's it.